Now I'm hoping that this is the last time we have to do this. The funny thing is, the people over at U-Haul know me on a first name basis now because I've rented this thing like 6 times in the last month. My neighbors probably hate me. Smooth. Good? Let me see. Nope, good. Yep, got it. So got everything loaded up. Throwing the last parts into the truck itself, and we should be good to head out. Next time you guys see this car, it'll be not rusted. That's the hope. So we're on the road now. We're headed over to Top Coat Garage. They actually have 2 SEMA builds this year. They're actually working on one of my friend's cars, Wayne. And if you're local to Maryland, you guys know of Kinetic Auto Works. Their SEMA build Supra, which is like a wide-bodied Supra. I think it's running the Street Hunter kit. That was also painted and done by Top Coat. So like I said before in the last video, very reputable shop, and I'm excited to head over there. Last time I did go over there, they were super friendly. They gave me a tour around the shop. They allowed me to see some of the other projects that they were working on. So it really enticed me to go with them and pick them rather than some of the other shops. But I'll pick up the camera again once we're down there, and yeah, it's not working. So just pulled up to Top Coat. We got the car still sitting on the back of the trailer. We got just a bunch of cars. There's actually like a Supra sitting right there. But yeah, need to get it off the trailer and hand the keys over, as well as all the parts to the rest of these guys. The truck's too big, I can't even get the parts out without opening the back of the bed. Just gonna throw these in the back seat. Yeah, the NSX that was here last week, that thing was a beauty, but I think that was a customer car. This week, I don't see that many nice cars, but last week there was a crap ton. But let me get the owner real quick, see if we want to go through the parts, get those situated, bolt in there. So these are both the rockers. This is battery box. Yeah, battery box on that side, and then on this one we have floor pans. I think the only thing that came different than the pictures was, where'd it go? So this is, in the pictures it was all one piece, but it looks like they have it 3 separate pieces. Yeah, so this one goes like, something like that.
Okay.
But yeah, that should be pretty much it.
You know, we'll just go from there, see what you think.
Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah. Should I just leave them back in the car?
Yeah, everything runs with the thing, it's fine, just start it up and
it should start up fine. Maybe, I guess, if the battery dies, it just needs a quick jump.
Box on or something.
Yeah, but everything else should start up.
Cool.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll talk about doing the body work on it.
Yeah, I was gonna ask if getting a coal would be great.
Yeah, I can check those.
Cause I got fender's sitting at home, but I'm probably gonna get new ones as well as new bumpers.
Okay.
So this is just a valence piece, and then the new bumper kind of covers everything.
Okay.
But
It's a Supra for like $6 grand. It's a '93, and then completely, you know, ripped it out inside out. Go check it out. Just search Matt Pratt. It'll come up.
Okay.
And you'll be able to see all the shit I've done there.
yeah, that thing is nice. What's up, man? See, there's a reason one of these cars are on my wall. Like, I need one in my life. This thing is such a beauty. It's like a classic. I might be, but we can test fit it right now. It's like, then you got a bunch of cars back here too. So Wayne's car, if you guys don't know, Wayne Benga BRZ, his car was actually here last week, and he was doing a SEMA build project on his car. It was parked back there. Looks like it's not there, obviously, because SEMA's next week, and he had to wrap it. But I guess we'll go this way. We're just gonna take a peek back here. How's it going? Oh God. It's just a graveyard of Supras. You got Supra, you got, what is that back there? Oh, okay, get this. This is the owner's car. This thing is so nice. You guys can't even tell, but the front end is wide bodied.
Surprisingly, the lighting here is working out.
Yeah. But the front end, wide bodied, great fitment. It's all molded. Even the rear, if you guys come close, you guys can see that he actually had a wide body kit on here that he molded to the body itself. And it's so seamless. It just makes the car look stock again, but it's wide once you notice it. But this thing, I saw it parked outside last week, and in my head I was super scared to hit it because I was driving the trailer past it. I'm glad I didn't, because the owner actually had to take the car from me and back it up himself. You got an NSX right there just sitting, right? No, this is wild. You got a wide-bodied S2000 here. Oh, another Datsun.
Another Datsun. Is that a shell?
So this one looks like it was wide-bodied too. And this one looks like it's all custom. Yo, this place is huge. Yep, that's all. It's literally a custom wide body kit, it looks like. And the whole car is stripped. So it's just.
Looking at a size comparison, I do think you'd be small with Datsun.
This thing's nice though. Datsun build coming soon. Might have to ask him. Might have to ask him how much it's for sale for. Got another Porsche over there. I'm really wondering what he's doing with all these cars. Are they customer cars or?
Yeah, I think he said they're just laying around like for work to get done.
That's crazy. I feel like I know whose car this is. It looks very similar. If you guys watch Street Bandito on YouTube, they're local. They're actually in the Baltimore area. This looks exactly like his car. But if I remember correctly, his was a hardtop, which you can take on and off. So maybe he did. But we just walked past it. There's an Audi R8 right there.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, just,
You know, it actually gets dark with lighting over there.
oh, okay.
I don't think I even peeped it.
Yeah, just like a casual NSX just covered in dust, and then an Audi R8 covered in dust right next to it. It's not even a V8 Audi, it's a V10 one, which is even harder to find. I think we're having too much fun. Don't you gotta be somewhere, Billa? Okay, just making sure. Yeah, no, this is wild. Honestly, I was not expecting to be able to walk around the shop like this, but like I said, yeah, the owner, super nice guy. He let me, he gave me a tour of like the main parts of the shop last time, and this time he was just like, yo, just walk around, record what you guys want. This is a lot bigger than I expected to. It's crazy.
Yeah, this side of the shop is like, I think it's actually bigger than the side that we were at.
So little, I don't know if you guys know or if I ever mentioned in one of my videos, my dad used to own a CRX, and he went home one day, decided he was gonna make it a convertible. So he cut the entire top off from like, I don't wanna get too in here, but he cut the top off from like right here all the way to the back and made his own custom convertible CRX. And it was a sport model, which was a TT model. And that thing has just been collecting water and just rusting out in the back of his shop for the last like 7 years now, 8 years. But yeah, we actually have a CRX TT, and he's always wanted to build it back up again, but I think it's too far gone, to be honest. But yeah, if anyone wants some Supras or an NSX, hit up Top Coat. I'm sure they'll sell it for a decent price, because I don't think they're moving anytime soon. All right, I'll catch you guys back outside. All right, let me just say bye to them and we can head out. All right, Matt, I'll catch you guys. Appreciate it again.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
We'll see her again in a few weeks. Hopefully she comes back looking a lot better than she does right now. She does look good from this angle though. I gotta take a picture real quick for the Instagram. Got it. Now we got the hour-long drive back home. It's 2 a.m. I'm back here at the shop where I dropped the car off because I took the keys home with me. So I had to drop them off before the shop started working on it tomorrow morning. Honestly, one of the dumbest mistakes I could have made, but let's go ahead and toss it in here somewhere. I'm gonna head home, get some sleep. It's been a long day.